Hello kids, today we are going to learn a new lesson. Lesson number 9, a good house. A good house. In this lesson, we shall study importance of a good house, features of a good house, cleanliness of house, importance of the good house, features of a good house and cleanliness of the house we are going to learn in this lesson. Just as we need food, water and clothing, we also need a shelter or a house to protect us from weather conditions like a heat, cold, wind and rain. In early times, man needed a shelter to protect himself from wild animals also. A house provides us safety and security and is also a place where we carry out our daily activities in comfort. Why we need a house? We need house to protect ourselves from harsh weather, from wild animals. We need a house to protect ourselves, such as heat, cold, wind, rain. Okay? Along with, we need a safety. We need a safety to protect himself from wild animals. A house provides us a safety, security, also is place where we carry out our daily activities in comfort. A house is built with bricks and mortar. When it is cared for and kept clean and well maintained, it becomes a home. A house is built with bricks and mortar. When it is cared for and kept clean and it well maintained, it become a home. A house can be a bungalow, an apartment or even a hut. A house may be bungalow, apartment, it can be hut. What make a good house? What make a good house? A good house allows sunlight and fresh air in every room. When there is a dampness, foul smell and dust, it makes the house unhygienic and also has ill effects on the health of the people living in. A good house should have. What makes a good house? A good house allows sunlight, fresh air in every room. When there is a dampness, foul smell, dust, that all makes the house unhygienic and all has illness effect on that people, those are living in that room. So a good house should have adequate sunlight and fresh air. The good house should have adequate sunlight and fresh air, doors and windows that allow to cross ventilations, open space and a park close by, effective garbage disposal system to prevent the rodent menace and the foul smell, good drainage system that prevent the breeding of the mosquitoes and flies. A good house should have adequate sunlight and fresh air, the door and window that allow to cross ventilation, along with effective garbage disposal systems to prevent rodent menace and foul smells, along with the good drainage system that prevent the mosquitoes, breeding of mosquitoes and flies. Understood, no kids? Now we'll see diseases spread by mosquitoes and housefly. Find out some diseases that spread by mosquitoes and housefly. We see when we solve the exercise. Next one, how can we keep our house clean? How can we keep our house clean? Our home reflects our personality. We must take good care of it and keep it neat and tidy. Our home reflects our personality. So, how we must take good care of it and keep it neat and tidy, we are going to learn. Furniture, photo frames, etc. must be dusted regularly. Cobwebs should also be removed regularly. To keep our house neat and tidy, what we should do? Furnitures, photo frames, etc. must be dusted regularly, along with cobwebs should also remove regularly. The floors should be mopped daily with water and disinfectant to remove the dirt and kill germs. The floor should be mopped with water and along with disinfectant to remove dirt and kill the germs. Wash basins, bathrooms and toilets should kept clean and dry. They should also be cleaned regularly with disinfectant. Wash basins, toilets, bathrooms should be kept clean and dry. They should also be cleaned regularly and with disinfectant, with use of disinfectant. Waste should always be thrown in the dustbin. The dustbin should be kept covered and should be cleared daily. Whatever waste is there in our house, we should always be thrown in a dustbin. Don't throw here and there waste. The dustbin should be kept covered. The dustbin should be kept covered and should be cleared daily. Means it should clean daily. Curtains and bed sheets, table covers should be washed regularly. Curtains, bed sheets, table covers should be washed regularly. All the things in the house should be kept in the right place so they can be found on time and the house looks tidy. All the things in the houses should be kept in the right place. Don't spread here and there. If you kept all things in right place, that time they can be found on time and the house looks tidy, neat and tidy. Understood, kids? These some rules means work we should do to keep our house clean, neat and tidy. Understood, no? Do you know a disinfectant is a substance that kills germs? The disinfectant we use to wash the floors. We use disinfectant in bathroom, toilets, when wash the bathroom, toilets, wash basins, because disinfectant kills the germs. Now see, let us revise lesson division. The whole lesson divides in some small points. 1. Our house protects us from harsh weather conditions and danger. Yes, we need a house to protect us from harsh weathers and from danger. 2. A good house keep us healthy and happy. Yeah, correct. If our house is good, clean, neat, that time we feel a very good. Along with we are healthy, because if our house is dirty, we feel illness, sickness, we fell down sickness. So we need a good house, and it should be neat and clean and tidy. A good house keep us healthy and happy. 3. A good house should have proper doors, windows, ventilators, and a good drainage system. A good house should have proper doors, windows, ventilator, along with a good drainage systems. Good drainage system that prevents the breeding of the mosquitoes and house flies. Okay? Number 4. A good house should receive ample sunlight and fresh air. A good house receive adequate sunlight and fresh air. We should keep our house clean by dusting and mopping it and clearing the garbages regularly. Yeah, we should keep our house clean and tidy when we dusting, mopping, and clearing the garbages regularly. Understood, my kids? Here are a good house lesson over. You read the lesson, learn the new words, and write down all new words in your notebook. Okay? Thank you for watching the video.